Hello, my dear friends. You are very welcome to my English class by Simple Teaching English channel. Today we will learn English alphabet from A to Z with word examples relating to animals. Before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to get an instant notification. Direct your inbox every time I post interesting and useful English vocabulary lessons. Are you ready to begin? Our first letter is A. A. A is for alligator, anaconda, ants. Letter B. B. B is for butterfly, bee, bear. Letter C. C. C is for crab, cow, cat. Letter D. D. D is for dolphin, deer, donkey. Letter E. E. E is for elephant, eagle, eel. F. F. F is for flamingo, fox, frog. Letter G. G. G is for giraffe, goat, goose. Letter H. H. H is for hamster, horse, hen. Letter I. I. I is for iguana, ibis, impala. Letter J. J. J is for jellyfish, jaguar, jackrabbit. Letter K. K. K is for kangaroo, koala, kingfisher. Letter L. L. L is for lion, lamb, lobster. Letter M. M. M is for monkey, mouse, mole. Letter N. N. N is for nighthawk, numbat, newt. Letter O. O. O is for ostrich, owl, octopus. Letter P. P. P is for penguin, pig, parrot. Letter Q. Q. Q is for quail, quetzal, quokka. Letter R. R. R is for rabbit, rooster, rat. Letter S. S. S is for swan, snail, sheep. Letter T. T. T is for tortoise, turkey, tiger. Letter U. U. U is for unicorn, you guys. Letter V. V. V is for varan, vulture. Letter W. W. W is for whale, worm, walrus. Letter X. X. X is for X-ray tetra, xenopus. Letter Y. Y. Y is for yak, yellow jacket. Letter Z. Z. Z is for zebra, zonkey.